Hello students, welcome again all of you. So students, as you all know, we already started chapter number 6, importance of ocean in last lecture, right? And we also cover few points of this chapter. So students, let us continue another point of this chapter, importance of oceans. So let's begin. Now students, use your brain power. Where did all this water on the earth come from? Can you tell students where we get the water from on the earth? Some wet asteroids and comets. Asteroids and comets containing ice might have bombarded the earth. The heat of the sun must have melted these ice. Thus, all these water on the earth might have come from the asteroid and comets. Okay, students, you get the answer? Where did all this water comes from on the earth? Okay, moving to our next page. Students, page number 34, open fast. Can you tell students? See figure number 6.5 of page number 34. Okay, and answer the following questions. What items are included in our diet? Just observe the picture, students. Tell me which items amongst those shown come under non-vegetarian food? Which of these are prepared from aquatic creatures? Now students, what items are included in on our diet? Can you tell students? Items like rice, chapati, thalipit, paratha, idli, vada, fish, chicken, mutton, etc. are included in our diet. Right, students? Which items amongst those shown come under non-vegetarian food? Can you tell students? Items like fish, chicken and mutton among those shown come under non-vegetarian food. Which of these are prepared from aquatic creatures? Can you tell students? Aquatic creatures means what? The animals, the creatures who float in water, who live in water. Aquatic means water, right? So can you tell fishes items are prepared from aquatic creatures, right? Fishes are living in water, right? Aquatic fish are called as aquatic creatures also, right? Now let's see the explanation. Many of us include fish in our diet. We get fish from river, lakes and seas. The proportion of fish in seas is much greater than of those in rivers and lakes. Catching marine animals means what? Water animal, those who are living in water, aquatic animals, is a large scale activity the world over, right? It is one of the ancient occupations of human being. In ancient time, people used to catch the fishes from lake, river, right? They are hunting and then they are eating food in ancient time. Though food is the major purpose of this activity. Marine animals are also used for the production of fertilizers, pharmaceutical and also in research. In India, many people consume prawns, that is Columbi, clams, that is Tisre, crab, sailfish, that is Surmai, marklis, that is bangda, pomfret means paplet, Indian shark, that is mori, Indian salmon, that is rawas, etc. Many other types of marine animals are consumed in different parts of the world. The life of people from countries that have a coastline largely depends on the sea. Means the people who are mostly live in nearby seas, they are depend on the marine life only. Means they are depend on the seas, especially if there are few other occupation. Seychelles, Mauritius, Maldives, etc. are some of these. Now students, open page number 34. Can you see the table in your textbook? Do it yourself. Ocean and climate. Can you see the 5 columns? First is place, country, mean maximum temperature, degree Celsius, mean minimum temperature, degree Celsius, and range of temperature. Now in place, Beijing, country China, and maximum temperature degree Celsius is 18.4 and minimum temperature degree Celsius is 08.4. Istanbul, country Turkey. Okay, mean maximum temperature is 19.0 and minimum temperature is 09.0. New York, in place of New York, that is country United States, maximum temperature is 16.2 and minimum temperature is minimum temperature is 02.2. Denver, United States country, have maximum temperature 16.2 and 0.2 minimum temperature. Okay, New York is a 0.8 minimum temperature. Okay, Kabul, country Afghanistan, maximum temperature is 14.7 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature is 05.2. Baghdad, in country Iraq, have maximum temperature is 30.4 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature is 14.7 degrees Celsius. So students, this is a ocean and climate table. Okay, so in the above table, record the maximum and minimum temperature from some places located between 30 degree and 40 degree north parallels. Study the table and do as directed. So we have to calculate the difference between the mean, maximum and minimum temperature and write it in the last column, that is range of temperature we have to find. So student, I think in next lecture we will going to calculate the table of ocean and climate. Okay, and also we'll learn in detail of this table and also answer the following questions related to this table in next lecture. Okay students, so meet you in next lecture with a table explanation. Okay, and next lecture we will going to do further point of this chapter. Okay students, thank you.